In lesson 3, we move from choosing the right market to researching the actual properties inside that market. This is where tax deed investing starts to become real. Market selection helps us decide where to look, but property research helps us decide what is actually worth bidding on. Our goal is to introduce a comprehensive, repeatable process that helps you reduce risk and make confident bidding decisions. In tax deed investing, the opening bid doesn't tell the full story. We gather information from public data sources, county property cards, and GIS maps. Each source gives us another piece of the puzzle, from parcel numbers to tax assessments. The goal is not to guess, it's to verify. Before we analyze value, we must confirm we are researching the correct property by checking legal descriptions, map locations, and visible structures. Street addresses can be misleading. Tools like Google and Bing Maps help us understand a property's visible condition and surrounding area. These views help you assess road access and neighborhood quality. But remember, never use online maps blindly. Always confirm the subject property. Next, we dive into valuation research. Sites like Zillow and Redfin are only starting points. A strong investor compares automated estimates, reviews comparable sales, and estimates the after repair value, or ARV. ARV helps determine if there's enough margin to justify the risk. Using this formula, we work backward from value and profit margin to find your max bid. It's not emotional, it's based on the numbers. The Tax Deed Collective Research Checklist is designed to help you organize all this data in one place. This creates a repeatable system. When the process is repeatable, risk goes down and confidence goes up. The big takeaway is simple. Profitable tax deed investing is not built on luck. It's built on research. Follow this system to underwrite opportunities and separate good deals from bad ones. Ready to bid with confidence? Let's get to work.